Assalamualaikum again, and a very good morning, lovely morning to all of you, all my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope you're all enjoying your lectures with your teachers and you are really having a very good time. As I remind you, for that we are making all these videos free for you. We want you to enjoy these videos. We want you to learn a lot from them, and we want you to get in contact with us. Like, we're going to create a beautiful bond with our students, so that with so much of effort and love and care, we can deliver like so much to you. So the teachers are putting up so much of effort. They are making like amazing lectures, and there is a team who's making wonderful videos for all of you, and they're working really hard. So we are just going to remind you to just do a little favor for all of us that is going to help us, to motivate us, to make even good videos for you, to create more fun lectures, informative things. And for that, the favor which we are asking is only just to subscribe the channel. Yeah. So that is the only thing we're asking you for, because that is going to help us to get even more motivated, with a lot of energy. We are going to do and make videos and lectures for you. So I hope and remind you to just subscribe the channel over here, right? And give the videos a thumbs up, because all the teachers are working really hard, and do share these videos with your friends, so they even get this opportunity and get in touch with us, can get in contact with us, and more and more people can learn and get benefit from all these videos, right? So right now we are in our numeracy class, and as you know that we are learning about numbers in figures, numbers in words. So we are doing that. So we have done up to 50. We have done the numbers. So I just want that to know that how much you have learned. So we are just going to do a little of the activity over here, right? I'm going to give you a couple of numbers, and you are going to give me the numbers, the number, whatever number I'm going to ask you for, right? So we are going to start with our board as we do, right? So I'm going to write the number for you, and I'm going to ask you the question, and you will be answering me for that, okay? So this is a very interesting activity. You are going to enjoy this because this is the way we are even learning more about the numbers, revising them, and we are going to have a little fun doing all that. Okay, so I'm going to write a number, and then I'll ask you the question. Okay, so let's see what I'm going to write for you. Okay. Okay. Now, look at this. Now, I've given you this, right? Now, there's a dash, then there's 16, and there is 17, right? Now, I'm going to ask you what comes before 16, right? I'm going to ask you what comes before 16. There's 16, 17. So you're going to tell me that what comes before 16. Yes, it is 15, right? So 15, 16, and 17, right? See, so 15 comes before 16. 15, 16, 17, right? Okay, that's good. You are doing good. I hope you can continue doing good. I'm going to ask you, okay. Another question. Okay, now have a look at this, and you are going to tell me what comes in between, right? Yeah, you're going to tell me what comes in between 8 and 10, right? What comes in between 8 and 10? There's a digit over here, there's a number over here. Yes, that's very easy. It is 8, 9, and 10. Yes, that's pretty good. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now I'm going to write another one for you. Okay, and you're going to answer me. Okay, now how old is this? This is 26, 27. What comes after? Yes, it is 28. Right, that's good. You are doing pretty well. Very nice. Okay, now another one I'm going to tell you. Now this time I'm going to give you a little bigger one. Okay. Okay, now there's a bigger one. That's the easy one. Now look at this. Paper 11 13, 14 16. Now you're going to tell me, okay, you're going to count 11. Good. Okay, that's nice. What will the next number after 11? Okay, that is 12. That's nice. Then 13, 14, 15. That is nice. 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. That is nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Now another one. I'm going to give you okay. Now have a look at this. This is 30-32. What comes in between 30 and 32? 30 and 32. What comes in between 30 and 32? Yes, it says 31. Yes, very good. 30, 31, 32. That is good. Good, good, good. Very good. That's nice. Okay. So that's nice. I'm going to write another one. Okay, so get ready, right? Okay, now what comes before 20? What comes before 20? Now you can count. You can even count from 11, you can count from 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes. Oops. 19. That is wonderful. 19, 20. What comes after 20? Yes, that is 21. 19, 20, 21. That's great. Wow, that's lovely. Great, you're doing very nice. Okay, now let me ask you another one, and that is, okay, now I think I should give you a little harder, right? Okay. Okay. Now, this is 45, then dash, then 47, then dash, and then dash. 45 and 47. What comes in between 45 and 47? Yeah, 45. Yes, 46. That's great. 46 comes after 45 and before 47, right? And what comes after 47? 48. That's great. And then what comes after 48? That's lovely. 40 and then 9. 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. That is lovely. Great, great, great. Okay. So, oh, what happened to my... Okay, so another one I'm going to give you. Okay. And that is, what should I write? Okay. Now we have 30 over here, and we need to know what comes before 30, and we need to know what comes after 30. Right? Now what comes before 30, that is a little, you need to think about that. From where you're going to start counting, maybe from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and yes, 30. So what do you need to write here? Yes, we're going to write here 29. Very good. 29 comes before 30, right? Now remember, 29 comes before 30. And what comes after 30? 31. Yes. 29, 30, 31. Wow, you did a great job. Wow, you know the counting now. Okay, that's super great. So this was our numeracy class today, in which we have done a little game of numbers. I hope you've enjoyed that. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see each all of you in the next class soon, inshallah. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, hydrate yourself, and be grateful for whatever you have. Right? So till then, we see each other. I'll say bye-bye and Allah Hafiz.